Can you solve all these linguistic anthropology questions? The study of fossils. Keep it up, paleontology. Study of human culture. Accurate answer, anthropology. Anthropology is the study of. Solid response, bones. Study of prehistoric fossils. Confident and correct, paleontology. Social anthropology is a branch of. Nice work, anthropology. Anthropology has how many subfields? How many types does anthropology has? Well articulated 4. What is the study of humankind called? Thoughtful answer, anthropology. The study of human culture is known as. Great job, anthropology! A decision reached after examining evidence. Logical choice, conclusion. Use skeletal body remains for identification. Right choice, anthropology. How many branches of anthropology are there? Very good. The process of replacing cartilage with bone. Good job, ossification. Cultural bias in anthropology is described as. Bravo, ethnocentrism. It is a science that studies human civilization. Correct response, sociology. The word anthropos from anthropology means dash. Human. The following are subfields of anthropology except. On track, conflict anthropology, which is not a sub-branch of cultural anthropology. Biology, well done. The study of objects to learn about past human life. That's accurate, archaeology. Which of the following is not a field of anthropology? Well expressed, sociological. Describes the similarities and differences in culture. Outstanding effort, cultural anthropology. This is the study of the origins of people and societies. You got it, anthropology. Application of entomology to civil and criminal legal cases. Well-reasoned, forensic entomology. In which branch of anthropology would genetics be studied? Smart thinking, biological anthropology. What is not one of the primary 4 fields of anthropology? Exactly, business anthropology. The study of humans from a biological perspective is called. Nicely done, physical anthropology. What is the systematic study of people and cultures known as? Yes, anthropology is right. Studies the biological dimensions of humans and other primates. That's it, biological anthropology. Study of humanity from a broad and biological perspective dash. Excellent work. Anthropology! The physical record of a person's life as told by their bones. Osteobiography is correct. This is everything that a person learns as a member of a society. Commendable response culture. Social problems may be understood in the realm of which subject? Precise answer, sociology. Dash is the study of human culture and how it develops over time. Valid point, anthropology. Something that shows proof or an indication that something is true. Perfect choice, evidence. This subfield studies human biological variation in time and space. Biological anthropology, great work. Dash is the study of the past by looking at what people left behind. Clear and correct, archaeology. Which of the following is not a sub-branch of physical anthropology? Excellent reasoning, ethnolinguistic. Which of these is most closely associated with cultural anthropology? Strong answer, social sciences. What is the study of human origins, evolution, and diversity known as? Right, anthropology. A class of individuals with similar physical characteristics are called well-supported species. What is the main subtopic of anthropology related to the time of death? Precise answer, forensic anthropology. Anthropology is the study of past cultures through material remains. Keep it up, archaeological. Investigation of past cultures through the excavation of materials remains. Correct response, archaeology. Which of these is not included in the four main subfields of anthropology? Nicely done, applied anthropology. Which field of anthropology studies the relationships of people in groups? Excellent reasoning, social anthropology. It deals with the archaeological sites on land, both open and cave sites. Right choice, terrestrial. It investigates and seeks to understand the cultural features of societies. Great job, cultural anthropology. Which of the following studies the remains and artifacts of ancient people? Archaeology, well done. Focused on the study remains in an attempt to describe the behavior of human. Exactly, archaeological anthropology. Which field of anthropology studies the language structure of the Seminoles? Excellent work, linguistic anthropology! What subfield of anthropology focuses on studying and interpreting artifacts? Nice work, archaeology. What is the scientific study of past human cultures and civilizations called? Accurate answer, archaeology. An anthropologist examines a decomposed body to determine the cause of death. Confident and correct, cultural anthropology. Which field of anthropology studies the symbols, laws, and values of a society? Well-supported, cultural anthropology. Studies the way of life of contemporary and historically recent human societies. You got it! Cultural anthropology! The study of human societies and cultures and their development is known as DASH. Well-articulated anthropology studies language in its social and cultural context across space and over time. That's it, linguistic anthropology. Which field of anthropology studies the artifacts of ancient Mayan civilizations? That's accurate, archaeology. Looks into the biological development of humans and their contemporary variation. Well expressed, physical anthropology. To understand anthropology as a whole, you need to understand all below fields, but... Yes, Art is right. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Good job, contact Narayan Changder.